Hey guys, it's Blade again from Cardio Security. We're in our new store by the Kenwood stand, and we've actually got a special guest today, Keith from Kenwood. So Keith's going to go through this new Kenwood stereo. So what have we got here, Keith?
So this is the new DMX9720XDS, which is our new 10.1 inch screen. It's a HD screen, and probably the main features to talk about on it are that it's got wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So both Apple and Android users, totally covered. It's got digital radio, Bluetooth for hands-free calling, all that on it. We'll demo it in a little bit, but first of all, let's have a little chat about the unit itself.
Okay, yeah, cool. So, yeah, it's a really nice big screen. It looks like you've got a volume knob on the front as well. But is it a fixed screen, or can you move it? Or
so once it's installed, it would be fixed in the dash. But the unit itself, you can tilt.
Okay.
So you can get it just the perfect angle, or move it if you've got glare or something like that. It's got 4 different levels of height adjustment on it, and you can also slide the screen forwards and backwards within the chassis. So
okay, cool. So it's quite versatile then. And as well, I've just spotted that the body of the stereo is doubled in size. So a lot of the big screens like this, they tend to be singled in, but this one's doubled in. Why is that?
That's partly because you can adjust the screen angle once it's in there, and obviously it needs to be totally solid. It's also, so it packs lots of different features, which I think we'll come on to. There's a lot going on in this little box.
Yeah.
And also, it fits most vehicles. Yeah, most vehicles can fit a doubled in these days, especially ones with the space to fit a bigger floating screen. So
okay, yeah, brilliant. And it looks like you've got loads of camera inputs for this one. So how many cameras can you add onto this one?
So this unit you can put 4 cameras onto.
Oh wow.
So you can have a dash cam, you can have a reverse cam. The reverse cam as well, we've brought out a HD reverse camera, so you can have that on there as well. And then it's got blind spot cameras, so you know your left and right covered. That's quite good for bigger vehicles. A lot of people putting these into big trucks, motorhomes, stuff like that. So it covers sort of all angles of the vehicle.
Okay, brilliant. And I think it's got, am I right in saying it's got an HDMI input on this one?
Yeah, there's HDMI in there as well. HDMI is ideal for if you wanted to use a computer games console, Amazon Fire Stick, things like that. Also, some people would have a media unit or a DVD player or something in the rear of the vehicle that they want to put on the front as well. So it just gives a bit more versatility with the install. Yeah, so
it's a really high spec unit. So we've actually got it powered up on the stand over there. So what we'll do is we'll go through all the actual features whilst it's on. So we'll go over there and look now.
So here we have the unit as it would be installed in your vehicle. This is sort of the main menu or home screen of the unit. You can see on the right hand side here we have like a widget section where there's lots of different features, clock and compass and stuff that you can have on there. But one of the key ones on it is the camera side of things. If you've got blind spot cameras, these will light up, and if you've got a front camera, that'll be on there as well. But at the moment this demo unit's only got the shop's reverse camera on there in HD. Just take that off, there we go. And also you've got the graphic equalizer up here. This part of the unit is customizable. You can have a rolling photo reel of different things that are on your phone set up onto it, and it will always show you what's playing down here. So the main menu for function select is here. As you can see, it does still have a traditional FM radio on it. You've got Bluetooth for pairing 2 phones at the same time. You can have up to 5 phones paired, and you can plug in via the rear USB a traditional iPod as well, or anything on USB for playing movie files or music, depending on how you listen to music. The HDMI, which is an input, which we've spoken about before, but you can, things like Amazon Fire Sticks, consoles, and then AV in as well for a traditional analog input. But the main part of this is down here, lit up, and the Apple CarPlay. And because we're paired up via Wi-Fi, that's why the Bluetooth is greyed out at the moment. So I've got my phone in my hand, in my pocket or my bag, wherever it is in the car, and you can still control all elements of your phone. You can still navigate, have all your different functions up, still listen to music, and have it all in there wirelessly. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit that is. And that does the same for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So no matter how you're listening to music, this unit will output the sound in such a fantastic way. It's got high-res audio output, it's 4 times 50 watts, it's got 3 5-volt pre-outs, it's got digital time alignment on it, you can set separate zones up, you can offset the volume so that everyone in the car hears just the right thing. You can set up different sound effects for different cabin and interior acoustics, and of course it's got an absolutely massive graphic equalizer in it. It's got everything you need for an A1 installation and some great listening.
Okay guys, so that was a really good first look on that unit. Thank you very much to Keith for bringing that down.
No problem.
So we do have this available on our website at caraudioSecurity.com, and we also have this available for fitting at our workshop in West London. So if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe, and just hit that bell notification to keep yourself updated. We should have a few more videos coming soon.